Hey everyone, and welcome to Home Idea Channel. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning Jurumirim Reservoir in Brazil. Here, nestled amidst a breathtaking landscape, lies a remarkable home, a testament to sustainable architecture and modern living. The Jurumirim house is more than just a dwelling. It's a harmonious integration of architecture and landscape. Situated on a spacious plot overlooking the reservoir, the house was designed to maximize the connection between indoors and outdoors. The architects carefully considered the site's natural features, creating a structure that complements rather than dominates the environment. The house's design is based on a modular grid system, allowing for efficient construction and flexibility in space planning. The use of prefabricated wood elements, such as cross-laminated timber, CLT, panels and laminated glued wood, MLC beams, enabled a rapid and efficient building process. This approach also minimized waste and reduced the overall environmental impact. Sustainability is at the core of the Jurumirim house. The architects implemented several eco-friendly features, including rainwater harvesting, efficient insulation, and the use of renewable energy sources. The house is designed to minimize energy consumption while maximizing comfort for its inhabitants. The interior design reflects a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and traditional Brazilian influences. The use of natural materials such as wood and stone creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The open-plan layout promotes a sense of spaciousness and connection with the outdoors. The house is designed to provide comfort throughout the year. The elevated position and careful orientation of the building ensure optimal natural ventilation and shading. The use of high-quality insulation materials further enhances the house's energy efficiency. The Jurumirim house is a remarkable example of how architecture can be both beautiful and sustainable. It's a place where people can connect with nature and enjoy a high quality of life. The architects have successfully created a home that is not only functional, but also a work of art. The Jurumirim house is a true inspiration for those seeking to build sustainable and modern homes. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in nature. What do you think of this incredible home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring architectural explorations.